Spirit Tower information, X-ray 17540, 1350 at 8, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 16, 2.4, altimeter 3027.
1 Juliet Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
One Juliet Mike, turn right, Alpha 8, taxi Moon Air via Alpha this frequency, good day. 407 Spirit Tower on course approved, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Tower, Beechcraft 407. Are we able to turn around and re-enter the down intermittent fuel gauge?
407, no problem. Yeah, you can make that left turn into the left island for runway 26 left. 407, runway 26 left, clear to land. Just let me know if you need it.
Should be good, thank you though.
You can turn right at your discretion, taxi to park via Alpha this frequency.
Discretion, taxi to park via Alpha, stay this frequency, clear check 407.
Spirit Tower, November 341 Mike Alpha, hold short at 26 left at Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Calling there at 1 Cessna, or correction, Cirrus 341 Mike Alpha, Spirit Tower on course approved, runway 26 left at takeoff.
On course is approved, 26 left, clear for takeoff, 341 Mike Alpha.
Papa Hotel, written holding port 26 left.
803 Papa Hotel, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, awaiting aft early. 3 Papa Hotel, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 26 left, clear for takeoff. 803 Papa Hotel.
Spirit Tower, Stationair 916 Whiskey Charlie, holding short 26 left, Alpha 3 ready.
Cessna 916 Whiskey Charlie, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left at Alpha 3, clear for takeoff on course is approved.
26 left, clear for takeoff on Alpha 3, on course, 6 Whiskey Charlie.
6 Whiskey Charlie, just want to verify, you want to go 260, correct?
Yeah, 260 would be okay. We just plan on leaving the Bravo and then heading east afterwards for 6 Whiskey Charlie.
Cessna 6 Whiskey Charlie, roger. Left turn to the south is approved then if you need that.
I'll do a left turn out to the south for 6 Whiskey Charlie, thank you.
Here, Tower Musketeer 2396 Quebec, holding short runway 26 left at Alpha 1, ready for takeoff.
Remember, 2396 Quebec, make left close traffic, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff. Full left.
Left close traffic, 26 left, cleared for takeoff. Musketeer 2396 Quebec. Air Tower, clear track 692, hold short 26 left at Alpha 2, we're ready for departure.
Track 692, wind is 300 at 4, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, on course to the southwest, approved.
Takeoff 26 left, Alpha 2, on course approved, clear track 692. Tower, Spirit Jet 101 is inbound for the straight in, 23 left.
Spirit Jet 101, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land. Just be advised I do have multiple aircraft in the pattern off the north runway. May stay them on the right base, no factor for you.
We are clear to land, 26 left, and looking for traffic.
Jet 101, traffic taking the runway now as a helicopter departing prior to arrival from Alpha 6. Spirit Jet 101, right turn, your discretion, contact ground point 7, have a good day.
Right, Musketeer 96 Quebec.
Number 2396 Quebec, roger, base is your discretion to follow them. Number 2, runway 26 left, clear to land, caution wait turbulence.
Left clear to land, number 2, Musketeer 2396 Quebec. Interior 6 Quebec, holding short, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, ready for takeoff.
Left Interior 2396 Quebec, Spirit Tower, wind is variable at 4, runway 26 left Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, make left close traffic.
Left clear for takeoff, left close traffic, left Interior 2396 Quebec.
Cessna 5163, ILS 26 left.
Cessna 51163, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind variable at 4, continue for runway 26 left Alpha, sequence for you sooner, or soon. Cessna 51163, runway 26 left, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, 513.
Cessna 163, you can continue down the runway, right turn Alpha 9 and contact ground point 7. Have a good day.
Turn Alpha 9 and we'll switch over to ground on point 7. Have a good day, 513.
Tower Pilatus 395 Papa Hotel. I'll be ready upon reaching.
Pilatus 395 Papa Hotel, Spirit Tower, roger. Hold runway 26 left for IFR release.
Short 26 left, Pilatus 395 Papa Hotel.
395 Papa Hotel, fly runway heading to now. You can expect to turn in the air. Runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
26 left at Alpha 2, quick takeoff, Pilatus 395 Papa Hotel.